Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is lecture number 2 of computer science from your third term syllabus. Dear students, in our last lecture, we have started chapter number 9, Wiz Loves Robots, from page number 76. During this lecture, we have seen that robot is a machine that has been designed to do different tasks and is controlled by a computer. And we said that robots have been created to facilitate humans, and they are very much similar to humans and animals. Some robots are made to look like humans and some are like animals. Then we have seen different ways in which robots are helping us. We have seen household robots, the robots that are helping us in performing household tasks. Then we said that robots are helpful in cleaning of house, in washing utensils, in selecting things from fridge, and in making grocery shoppings. Then we have seen the use of robots in industries. In industries, robots are being used for welding purposes and in hot boilers where temperature and pressure need to be maintained, where we use robots. And we have also seen military robot and the robot that is being used for assembling of cars in automobile industry. Dear students, some robots are also used for entertainment. Robots also behave like pets for their owners. Dear students, now we have seen many different types of robots. Scientists have developed a new technology called nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a technique that scientists use to develop robots. Artificial intelligence is a technique that we have used to copy human intelligence into machines and for the development of robots. Dear students, robots are also helpful for military purposes. Military robots are used for military purposes. Military robots are fitted with cameras to capture images from enemy territory and send them back to the operator. Military robots are also used to defuse bombs and to locate missing soldiers. Dear students, robots are also helpful for exploring. Telerobots are used to do tasks that are quite far away from human reach, like performing some action deep below the sea or in the outer space. These robots also contain chips which on which software has been installed to control them through the computer. Dear students, robots are also helpful for space exploration. Space robots are called rovers. They are fitted with scientific equipment to analyze soil samples and to take pictures of other planets and distant bodies. Now we will perform the activity that has been given to us on page number 82. What are these called? First is a machine that is controlled by a computer and designed to do different jobs. Robot. You will write robot in the space provided to you on the book. Next is the ability of a robot to imitate intelligent human behavior. Artificial intelligence. You will write the spellings of artificial intelligence in the space that has been provided to you. Third is a robot used to do jobs in distant places that human cannot reach. You will write tele-robot here. Dear students, number 4 is the scientific technology that creates robots which can do microscopic work. You will write nanotechnology here. Number 5 is a computer program that simulates chat using artificial intelligence. You will write chatbot here. You will fill the exercise given on page number 82 accordingly. Well, dear students, now this is the time for some homework. You will read chapter number 9. After completely reading the chapter, you will do the exercise given on page number 82. As an activity, you will make your own robot. You can take help from internet and YouTube videos. Thank you, dear students. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.